Welcome to this episode of Statues Up Close. In this episode, I'm going to take you through the San Diego Comic-Con exclusive of the Marvel Zombies Captain America, man. I just did one on my Marvel Zombie Wolverine. Like I said, this is my favorite line of statues because I am a huge Marvel Zombie fan. Box is pretty dope. If you haven't been tuned in to my episodes for Statues Up Close right now, I've been taking you through statues that I'm putting up in my shop. So I'm just taking you through all me opening on all of them and displaying them. So let me get this one out, see what he looks like, show you guys. Beautiful. Thank you for watching this episode of Statues Up Close. If you get a chance, please hit the subscribe button and also check out the other videos we got coming soon from the Collector's Review, Comics Up Close, and the Dial Spot. We will be giving away prizes here and there, so keep up and stay tuned. The Collection Dimension out.